Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherlyn. Welcome to Sherlyn and Food Etc. Today's recipe will be creamy chicken and mushrooms. This is really easy recipe to follow but really tasty. Perfect for family dinners or if you have some visitor coming over. This is really perfect served with mashed potatoes and or even some rice. So let's go make some. For our ingredients, we have 6 pieces of chicken thighs. um so what I did is I split it open like this, so it will be much easier to cook and will be evenly cooked. um so I have 6 pieces of this. I don't want to remove the skin, but if you don't like skin you can do so. Skin gives more flavor, so I will just leave the skin on. So we have some fresh creamy mushrooms. If you don't have fresh mushrooms, you can just get the canned mushroom. That's fine. One small white onion, 3 garlic cloves, and fresh parsley. If you don't have fresh parsley, dry parsley is okay. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is for the sauce. Tablespoon butter. 2 tablespoons of white wine or cooking wine. Any white wine should be okay. Salt and pepper and some garlic salt. And also we are going to need at least 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Also going to need 1 cup of chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you can just dilute 1 tablespoon of chicken powder in the warm water. So start our marinade. All we need is just some pepper. Okay, just put a lot of pepper on both sides of our chicken. Salt. Okay. Same thing, we're going to season both sides. Then some garlic salt. You can do fresh minced garlic on this chicken, but I choose to use the garlic powder. It's much easier for me, and it gives flavors too. And then we are going to drizzle a little bit of vinegar on top of each chicken thigh, just like that. So this is my marinade, and we're going to do on the other side as well. Okay. So while marinating our chicken, we can go ahead and chop our veggies and our onions and garlic. So we'll remove the hard part of our parsley. Okay, remove the stems. And then we'll chop this. Just roughly chop the parsley. Just like that. Okay. And then the mushroom, we can thinly slice this. As I said, you can use canned mushrooms. It doesn't have to be fresh ones. It just happen that I have some fresh ones. Which is fresh ones taste a lot better. But okay. go. Our chicken has been marinating for a while. Now we can go ahead and fry our chicken. We just need at least 2 tablespoons of oil to fry both sides of the chicken. Okay guys, I'm frying the chicken at least 5 minutes per side until brown. So we're flipping this on the other side. Okay, cooking this in a low to medium heat. There we go. So we'll cook for another 5 minutes. Okay guys, our chicken should be cooked through, so we'll take this out. So in the same pan that we fry our chicken, we're going to start cooking our mushrooms. So we will start with our garlic and onion. We'll cook this around 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 to 3 minutes, we can go ahead and add our mushroom. So we'll cook this until a little bit brown. After 2 minutes of cooking the mushroom, we can add in our 2 tablespoons of flour. And then we can add our 2 tablespoons of white wine or cooking wine. So any white wine you can use. There you go. Then let's add in our chicken stock, the 1 cup chicken stock or chicken broth. And let this simmer for a few minutes before we add in our chicken. So once it starts simmering, you can go ahead and add your chopped parsley. Okay. And then we can throw back in our chicken thighs. Okay, let's just simmer for a few minutes. Let's cover this and then let this cook for another maybe 10 minutes or so. So guys, let's just check this from time to time. My heat is really in low setting, so we don't get this burn. So we can flip this chicken now. One side. And then what we're gonna do, we can put our butter. I have the 2 tablespoon butter here. I will just slice a little bit piece and put it on top of each chicken, just like that. And let it. So 10 minutes is over, guys, and this is ready. We'll set this aside, and I'll go ahead and make the rest of our dinner. So this is ready, and we're going to serve this in a plate. So just to remind you guys, if you want to try this, try not skipping the wine, because that's the one that's really give a distinct taste on this recipe. And another thing, we didn't put any extra seasoning because we already seasoned generously our chicken before we start cooking, so the flavors is good enough and we don't have to put extra seasoning on it. Okay, so we will serve this with some mashed potatoes. I'll put some chives, some fresh tomatoes from my garden, okay, and freshly chopped parsley, and there you go. You can add extra baby carrots on the side. That's fully cooked steamed baby carrots with butter and some garlic salt. There you go, guys. Doesn't that look so yummy? Dinner is served. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like the recipe and give the recipe a try. And if you're new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And hope to see you again on my next video. And thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you for your support, and see you next time. Bye.